Stop by and take a look at the 2016 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, FWD, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.